All of this fits into this little bag right here. Is the one thing that comes with me on all my travel adventures, because travel adventure favors the prepared. Let's face it, airline travel is not always joy and happiness. And the one thing I want to do on the plane is either get some work done or completely veg out by watching a movie and just relaxing, which means I want a few things with me that are going to allow me to be able to do that and not have to be dragging out a bag and searching for everything. And this little bag does it for me. These are the things I use all the time, so I want to make sure that they don't get lost, like roll off the table or fall out of my ears and fall onto the floor. And this little bag helps keep it all organized. So let's get started. Putting that bag underneath the seat in front of me means it's probably going to stay there pretty much the rest of the flight, because trying to get into that bag means I have to be a contortionist. I mean, literally, especially if the person in front of me puts that seat back, I'm not even getting into that bag, which means I want to have everything that I need at the ready, in my vest, ready to pull out without me getting down in that bag. So the first thing I do is make sure some things are on my vest, and if there's something in my bag, like my iPad, which does not fit my vest, that I pull it out as soon as I get to my seat, and I put it into that Ziploc bag or some sort of bag and put it into that seat pocket in front of me. So once the flight is off and going, I don't have to reach down in that bag hardly at all. But let's go through what I have in this little bag that helps me be entertained and get some work done on my travel adventures. I always say that travel adventure favors the prepared and the organized, and this is one way I keep prepared, is by having this little bag handy in my vest. It's not down in the bag, it's somewhere I can easily get to it. Then I can put it on my wrist or even on my water bottle, and that still allows me to have my drink and everything close at hand. Also, on the last flight, it got really turbulent, and by sliding this down on my water bottle, it kept my water bottle from tipping over, and when it got really turbulent, I was able to put it on a hook, and that way everything was still close at hand and accessible. So let's go through. What are the things that I have? Airplane air is dry, and that means my lips get dry, so I like to have a little bit of lip balm, and this is by Burt's Bees. It's one of their minis. It's peppermint flavored, and it really helps soothe my lips. If I'm not working or watching a movie, I like to put earplugs in. It helps block out a lot of the other noise so that I can get some good rest on the flight. These also help with pressure. And the other thing I have is this little connector for my audio wired earbuds. This works well when I want to connect to something like my Airfly or my iPad. Speaking of Airfly, that's what's next in here. This will allow me to use my wireless earbuds to connect to the in-flight entertainment. When I'm wearing my AirPods, I make sure I have the silicone little holder so they don't fall out of my ears and onto the floor, and they magnetize so they stay nice and safe. I also bring a wired headset because sometimes I don't want my AirPods in, and this allows me to hook up into in-flight entertainment or my iPad. I like to bring a little gum with me for takeoff and landings, pressure release, and to freshen up my breath if I need it. These are in a tiny little toothpick container. Noise canceling earphones are a must-have for me to block out all the noise while I'm working or watching a movie, and these are comfortable and the battery lasts a long time. This is an RFID Credic Card Sleeve, and I keep it in here because sometimes I use this little pack on my travel adventures when I want to just step out, so I like to keep that in this little bag as well. So as you can see, this one here looks a lot like this one, which is the Lululemon version of this bag. But this one is half the price. As you can see, they look almost identical in the sense that the straps and all of the zippers, all of the pockets on the insides are identical. And what happened was, I bought this one on a travel adventure, and I was filming something showing, hey, if you're on a travel adventure and you are looking for souvenirs or whatever, scan stuff on Amazon and see if it's cheaper. Well, it didn't come up with the Lululemon, but it came up with this one, which was half the price. And I was like, I just spent double on this one. So now I have two. But they are really, really good for different things to keep you organized on your travel adventure. So, like I said, I will link this and a lot of the things that I use in this little bag in the video description. You'll see my Amazon storefront linkage icon come up here, so you'll be able to scan that with your phone and go to my Amazon storefront and find a lot of things that I take on my travel adventures. So guys, I'm looking for some new gear that's going to help keep me comfortable on that airplane seat. Let me know in the comments what are your favorite things. And now I've got to get busy unpacking and repacking for my next travel adventure. And remember folks, travel adventure favors the prepared. Happy travels.